we are sold a dream. We sold the possibilities to the market. People believed our dream and they have invested in this company. It is our commitment that we must bring the dreams to reality. The last 100 years is nothing but a story of successful survival. And many banks started in Thrissur have disappeared. Many banks started in the country have disappeared. But we resisted all the problems and managed to survive for 100 years.
സ്വപ്നങ്ങളാൽ നിർമ്മിച്ച ഒരു ബാങ്കാണ് ഞങ്ങൾ. 100 വർഷം മുമ്പ് മാറിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ലോകത്ത് പുരോഗതിയിലേക്കുള്ള ആദ്യ ചുവടുവെപ്പ് CSB ബാങ്ക് നടത്തി.
My friends at CSB Bank, congratulations on celebrating 100 years. Outstanding accomplishment. Very few companies have survived for 100 years. Catholic Syrian Bank began in 1920 with 5 lakhs of capital. Today it's 2,000 crores of capital. Because of outstanding leadership by Rajendran, your managing director, Fairfax was able to acquire 51% of the bank, something no one has been able to get approval from RBI, Reserve Bank of India, in the past. A year later, 2019, CSB Bank went public. It was 87 times oversubscribed. Today, the bank has 432 branches, 18 states, services 1.5 million customers and 3,200 employees. Tremendous success. Rajendran, as you know, has recently hired Pralay Mondal, and together they have plans to expand to 1,000 branches all over India.
തൃശ്ശൂരിലെ ഒരു ശാഖ മുതൽ ഇന്ന് ഇന്ത്യയിലുടനീളം 440-ലധികം ശാഖകൾ വരെ ഞങ്ങൾ ചിറകുവിടർത്തി.
What it lays ahead of us is not only exciting but a lot of responsibility on our shoulders to take the bank forward from where it has started 100 years back.
CSB Bank is undergoing a transformation with people and technology to transform itself into a best-in-class bank in India.
To survive and create a 100-year-old legacy is an amazing accomplishment. And to my mind, there are not many brands in the world that have been able to achieve this.
ഇപ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങളുടെ ശതാബ്ദിയോടെ 15 ദശലക്ഷം ഉപഭോക്താക്കളെ സമ്പാദിച്ച കഠിനാധ്വാനവും ത്യാഗവും ഞങ്ങൾ അംഗീകരിക്കുന്നു.
The bank has met many challenges alongside, thwarted many hurdles, and attained slowly as it is now.
Nurturing an institution established 100 years back, retaining its dignity and faith and trust from the customers and public is not an easy task, a pulling task. On its onward march, the bank has faced a lot of obstacles and also challenges. The management was able to overcome those challenges by suitable strategies and led the bank to a growth path. The bank is in safe hands. It will grow from strength to strength and attain greater heights.
ഞങ്ങൾ ഉയർത്തുന്ന ഒരു ബാങ്കാണ്. അത് പിന്തുണയ്ക്കുന്ന കമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റികളുടെ സ്വപ്നങ്ങൾ, അവരുടെ ജോലിയിൽ ഹൃദയം ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തുന്ന ആളുകളുടെ സ്വപ്നങ്ങൾ, അവരുടെ അഭിലാഷങ്ങൾ, ദർശനങ്ങൾ, പ്രതീക്ഷകൾ. പാൻഡമിക് സമയത്ത് പോലും ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഉപഭോക്താക്കൾക്കും ജീവനക്കാർക്കുമായി ഞങ്ങൾ സമർപ്പിത സേവനം തുടരുന്നു.
We have the right kind of skill set. Our labor force today, the age-wise, they are the youngest population. Below 30, there are more than 2,500 people in the organization today. With such young, dedicated and energetic people, I am sure the future of the organization is written in a stone.
But what is extremely important is the fact that over 100 years, this bank has created a culture, a family, all of which are extremely important in the way that it has conducted itself through various crises, including the present pandemic. The pandemic has created all sorts of problems for this country. It has created problems for each one of us. But the reality is, it is the culture and the management that held the bank together through this crisis and kept it growing.
മികച്ച സേവനത്തിനുള്ള ഞങ്ങളുടെ ദൗത്യത്തിലെ വളർച്ചയും അഭിമാന സംസ്കാരം വളർത്തിയെടുക്കുന്നതും ഇന്ന് ഞങ്ങൾ ആഘോഷിക്കുന്നു.
CSB should stand for complete solutions to banking. From a glorious past, we are looking towards a perfect future.
ഇന്ന് ഞങ്ങൾ 100 years of support ആഘോഷിക്കുകയും ഭാവിയിൽ കൂടുതൽ നാഴികക്കല്ലുകൾക്കായി പരിശ്രമിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യുന്നു.
This bank was established before the birth of each and every one of us. Probably this is also before the birth of most of our parents. My grandfather had account in this bank.
CSB Bank. I think about the bank 100 years ago, it's a great achievement. If you go to any institution which has achieved 100 years, it has got its own difficulty. Similarly, our present bank also had seen difficulty, very strong issues, but with all that, they were able to survive and come up and grow like a Vrisham. That is the great achievement of this bank, which is due to the promoters' view, promoters' vision, who have laid a strong foundation. At this hour, I remember every one of the promoters and those who was associated starting this thing.
ഞങ്ങളുടെ പാരമ്പര്യം ഞങ്ങൾ ആഘോഷിക്കുന്നു. CSB കുടുംബത്തെ വളർത്താൻ കാത്തിരിക്കുക.
The people who believed our story, who believed our dream and invested in this company should definitely feel that they have made the right decision.
Catholic Syrian Bank is not a financial institution for me. For me, it is an emotion, because even before everybody saw me, they saw me. They've been with me through all my ups and downs. They are a bunch of people who have come together to take care of the needs of other people.
We go to Catholic Syrian Bank for all our financial and professional needs. It's always a pleasure interacting with this bank.
We do appreciate their excellent and high standard of quality service.
താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച് എല്ലാത്തിനും നല്ല നല്ല സർവീസിനും ഒക്കെ. അപ്പോൾ എന്തായാലും 100ാം വർഷമൊക്കെ എല്ലാവരും അടിച്ചു പൊളിക്കുക. ഓൾ ദ ബെസ്റ്റ്.
A very happy centenary year, 100 glorious years, and wishing you many more glorious years ahead.
I enjoy banking with CSB. They are my home bank. I'm very happy to see how well they have grown over the years into what they are today. This being their centenary year, I wish them all the best for their future endeavors.
Thank you for 100 years of support.